Hello, guys, Aditya's and the team. Hello, I'm a retired IT professional. Basically, last 20 years I was in IT. So now I retired. I'm 67-year old. I heard about your program from watching Instagram and all that, and I registered. I registered last year also, and this year again. I've registered, and I paid this money for this Excel mastery class. So basically, I keep doing short programs for my friends or others. Okay, and I try to make my life more efficient in retired life. Spend time on your lovely, videos that you guys make. Okay, and I'm very impressed. I must say, I'm very impressed. You must not be older than my sons. So I really like your stuff and the way you explain and motivate people, including people at old age like me. So I'm learning a lot. Okay, from the tools that you say and show and demonstrate. I keep taking notes also. Okay. Uh, I've not completed the mastery course. This is the Excel mastery course, right? This is what I am doing. Okay. So I want to learn more about this thing. You have shown about pivot tables and all that. Probably I'll have to go deeper into the LMS and study more. That is one problem I have that I'm not able to devote time. But yes, it's fantastic. It's fantastic. You guys are just fabulous. Both Aditya's are good. Incidentally, my son's name is also Aditya. So that's one more reason I'm quite attached to you guys. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I have nothing to get recognition from anything except from myself. Okay, and feel happy about it. Feel happy conversing with my from youngsters in the family, in my extended family. Okay, and give them inputs. Okay, uh, okay, use this AI, not that AI. It's better. Uh, like I told one of them about Claude, and they were very impressed. They called me back saying, "Uncle, I use Claude. It is fabulous." So that's how it is. So happy to give you guys a note of thanks. Thank you. Bye. Take care.